And this car size something. Oh my gosh.
So my eye did look. You don't want me?
You again with this?
You don't talk to me? Yes, and I was like, cash eye boy. Yeah, and some of them cash eye still, but no.
What's up, guys? It's Breakfast Sunday.
You know me now, wait. Itch.
It's Breakfast Sunday. One of our favorite menu. One of Aki is the favorite. Then Kalalu. So this is bread and plantain. Bread and plantain with Kalalu and avocado. But what cut off ahead?
Yeah, food over for sure.
Bread and plantain and chocolate tea. And guess what we mix the chocolate tea with? Coconut milk. Oh. Bless the
My
John.
name changed.
I drink out of the
I mean, I drink out of the, I drink out of the cup. I drink out of M.
Don't follow no with no foolishness. I drink out of M. M I drink out of. See that? M. M I drink out of. No, sir. I don't know, I'm feeling so like you want some of my
You take
food.
so much color and give me a little bit of color.
You want more?
Next time when you share, give me enough a plate. Okay?
You want more? You want more Kalalu? Kalalu in iPad. And you always say, but I pick up my plate with this, sir. But I pick up my plate. But you can't put too much of this in my plate.
No, I limit on color. Green.
You put too much ackee. You will love ackee. But if you eat up ackee one time, pear, avocado, and Kalalu. Pear, avocado, and Kalalu. You know the pear and Kalalu roast belly?
So then say, but I run my belly today.
It tastes nice.
That time my belly don't run.
And plantain. The green juice.
Greenery. Long time I now have a running belly.
Right, you know, no running belly conversation.
Yeah, so much story for running belly.
There's a man in front of the food.
Hmm?
There's a man in front of the food that me don't nobody eat out it.
So you take so much pear now.
I don't know, man. I forgot to put back this coming out eat after like this.
We never put it back.
Leave it for later. I'm Bombay.
You know I left mountain up here.
We'll see about that.
Here, make a pop in the ear. Lay it up over.
Alright, enough. Put up my camera. Looks yummy. Now they have been comment on YouTube.
You live?
No. No, I'm not
I know
live.
this shit that one.
No, it's a different one. Now go live and not tell you. I don't do that.
So which one share that now?
I'm gonna put up this morning.
What did I eat last week? What did I eat? Okay.
Callaloo. People are tired of we are eating callaloo.
You eat the color every week and you do something else.
Why? Why me can't eat it too? Why good for you but not good for me? A change of cup. All time people growing up we used to parch chocolate, pick them off of the tree, broke them and put them on zinc in a sun for dry. And then we parch them, strip off the trash off of them, put them in the mortar and beat them. Mama used to put cinnamon and nutmeg in there. Sometimes we beat up the cinnamon stick in there. It used to nice, see.
I make it with, and then these days make it with cow's milk.
Yeah, used to milk the cow. And
So you never feel the milk cow, you know?
used to tie up the cow back foot. Especially if we know so the cow bad. You know, we used to tie up the cow back foot and go down underneath there with the nipple. And I say you hold it, you know. Your index finger in your corner right there, so. And you hold the nipple and you come so you squeeze it down in the bucket and you squeeze it down in the bucket. Even the goat milk. And we used to scald that milk and drink it, and I must eat make me have eczema now because I used to drink milk like crazy at morning time for tea. At morning time I used to drink the raw cow milk. I have an uncle who drink the cow milk just like that I come from the cow. Without it scald. If the cow bad, we tie up the two back foot and somebody hold it to the next side. If we not have the body to do it, we put them in between a tree where we can tie up the foot and tie the cord on the other tree down behind the cow. If nobody else not there. Just, you know.
So you know for tie up cow.
What do you mean? Tie up cow like crazy.
Or is it for tie up?
All kind of things.
You for tie up me too.
What do you mean? You don't know that too. I tie you up, you know.
Look, what you used to tie me?
Rope.
Food.
Oh my god! Look how much.
Ropeless.
No, sir. Look how you just time me up a while ago.
Good word.
Because
You want one way for hang dog, you never put the rope in it.
that's crazy, man. I would never think of that they are coming. But people can really tie up people with phone. I don't know about that. I'm not sure. I don't know definitely.
So you do, shouldn't you?
Stop them something, babe. That's not right.
You know,
What make you say that? What make that tire with food? How you do that?
let's cook the food nice.
Oh.
Should have been raised it, bro.
I don't know, all the time people used to talk the things. That is people tell of people man one time man in a food. Ridiculous. I think I'm go so. I think it's real.
He's a food man, you know. I'm gonna buy food or roads for purpose. I'm gonna drive food. I just know I'm start to a snack, you know. It's a snack, you know. Because they're in the house.
Yeah, you never used to snack with you.
Just straight to the stove. Really good. So I know good food. And I can cook too. I know good food.
And you know when food cook well.
I know when food cook good. I know watch how you handle yourself in the kitchen.
Yeah.
You know, when I just food this up. Just big and sauce or so.
Take him a little while. Just know my husband. And he used to call up for me. And he used to cook. Just something when he tell me. You want to eat the food, but principle, him no say. I forget to know me first before I eat from me. The food was very tempting.
By the smell.
And
by the look side.
I only prepare it. But he used to tell me same day before. And when my dad feel hungry, I told Jamaican man say, you know. And everyone of them still. Some of them, who them parents always want them to not go now, we go eat. Eat from anybody.
My greatest concern was cleanliness. All along. Coming up, you know, eating from home, man. That's my main concern. I just want more. If you cleanse it, if you're clean and you prepare your food clean and everything, that is a plus. But I want herb. I'm a food man.
And there's a food man. But it take him a little while. I asked him a couple of times when he come and I prepare food. So no man, belly full.
My mouth I run water. My mouth I run water, but it I run on the inside and I run out. Internal thing. And I remember when we start to eat, when we eventually start eat 1 and 2, I like from your plate. Then you eat.
Oh yeah.
You put 1 and 2 spoons, use it, you know.
Taste it from my plate.
Tell me what you know when you win me now. What you used to know when you win me. Until when I start tasting your plate. And she said, sure, look for me, not enough, look a bit.
And you used to say that for sure. Look a bit.
Like me can't eat enough.
Yeah, sure, look a bit. I know, sir.
Oh, you know when you win, you know when the bigger plate them start come. I mean, and them are clean. The plate them are clean like them wash already. When we don't in my plate, not even a rice, not even one. Clean. Like it was, you never have to wash it. You give to a man an artist in his stomach. Then you see a man start clean plates. Next thing I live in. Next time a man start clean plate, the next thing I live in. I'm going to turn Olivier. I live in And baby. After baby. When each other along the line, I'm a wedding. After wedding, a misery. A joke.
After wedding, how much years what a wedding gone? How much years now we're married?
It feel like I yesterday.
Yeah. How much year gone? You know how much year? How much? Stepping off your back of your hand.
After the back of my hand? Yeah, I make 8 years.
Yeah.
Gone, 8 years gone already.
This year 8 years.
Been it. This month I make 8 years.
No man, in January we get married.
Oh, 8 years gone already. Get married for my birthday.
Should I get married for my birthday?
Yep.
We don't know on your birthday you're married then.
I don't for my birthday. For my birthday. 2 days before my birthday. My birthday, my day honeymoon.
Like yesterday. It feels like yesterday. Time flies. How much years now we know each other? Let me see.
2 years. From 2004.
Okay, so 16 years. 16? Yeah.
Go 17.
Yeah, 16 years.
17.
I'm going to say, yeah, 17. June, I come make 17. Yeah. Wow. Time flies. 17 years. Mika gonna be 21. And that me calculate it from because Mika was like about 4 years old. Remember, yeah. And that's when me know you. But whenever did I talk, we just said our friends. Time really fly. Are you going to we get all and agree?
Hey, look at this one. I don't know nothing. I want them all. Where all I go? Is that your pick? That's not very nice.
So guys, this is breakfast Sunday. We are about to head out.
I'm going.
Eat your pear.
Definitely.
Breakfast was good. Real Jamaican breakfast.
Should I just start? Should I just start eat?
Why?
No, I have a whole plate of food in front of me. See,
I get a lot of compliments about food still, you know. I never know say I could have cook. Because when I actually leave my grandmother, I was 15 plus. You know, so I cook for my own from after 16.
You used to cook before that, no?
Me used to cook on wood fire. Even bake sweet potato pudding and all of that. All of them things me that do. Because my auntie used to do a lot of that. Direct. So I learned mostly from direct because mama basically never used to be there. So me cooking in my early age, Direct used to cook mostly, and me used to in the kitchen with her 24/7. Me in the kitchen once she cook, she call me in the kitchen. So that's how me learn to cook. That's how me believe say girl Pitney must stay in the kitchen with parents. That's how Shana K used to stay in. You see how Shana can cook? Shana K cook from she had 11 years old.
You cook from your 9.
Yeah. Because every time Direct in the kitchen, I'm me and her. Unless me gone for water or something, I'm me and her in the kitchen. Me and Direct. You know? Because she used to cook mostly.
She said, go for this and go for that.
Yeah. Peel this, peel that.
If you go like you don't want to do it.
No, me and Direct did love me. Direct did love me when me a Pitney. That's why I have that special place there in my heart for her, you know. She did love me, man. Direct did more like, you know, my mother. Because anytime nobody try to say anything to me, should have defend me. So, but when it come on, she used to work me. Me and Keisha bad, me and Keisha couldn't agree. We couldn't agree, period.
You like Keisha?
Me and Keisha couldn't agree. Me and Keisha always a fight. And now, me and her close as ever. Me and her always a fight. Remember one day, you know, she pushed me down out of a guinea tree, you know, man. Push me down, you know, climb up in a guinea tree and push me down. In that time, me a little Pitney, maybe about 8. And she always, because, you know, she spoiled, you know, mama and papa last Pitney, you know. And me say, you know, she climb up, you know, in a guinea tree, and push me down. A jealousy, you know, me think such a jealousy. Because then did I give me more attention, like Delvin and Claude and Dennis, all of them. Did I give me more attention than she? She climb up in the guinea tree. What are we there for? Is a flimsy guinea tree, you know.
Yeah.
And we are ride the guinea tree, and she go up there and push me down out of the guinea tree. Me say I go back up in the tree and I grab her. So that time I did tick, you know, because I made a little bit, me did chubby. And I just grab her up on her clothes and just drag her down out of the tree. And I say when she stand up, you see, because it was we drop down, you know, we stand up, you know, we just come so whoop in her ears. You know, and then ticking on me full of face and we come so whoop right. So Keisha, you hear that? And then she ball go around it up and
Silver Jack for you.
yo, me I don't, you know, till night come down, you know, so you know me afraid of Duppy and thing. And then night come down, I have to go home. So to go home, when I go home, it get dark, you know, because me used to afraid and used to talk about Duppy, everything a Duppy. As you hear anything a trash a mash a Duppy. So, when I go around now, Delvin hold me and make Papa that Delvin hold me.
DC?
Yes, a Delvin hold me.
Yeah, man, I see, man.
A Papa.
Keisha, tell DC this here. Say me have a page to get from me.
A Papa, tell him to hold me. So he never have no choice.
He could have tell Papa so she run and gone.
No, he can't tell Papa that.
No.
Because Papa tell him for go for me. And when me a hide, me dey up in a bush a hide. Just to make Papa go sleep before me can come in. Delvin come for me no matter where me there. Because everybody know the secret place them where we normally hide from Papa and Mama. And if we not get beaten, no, then cool down. Like when we do anything, we know which part we go hide. And Delvin come for me and hold on for me and carry me go give Papa and Papa beat me. That's the Papa, yo, I get some beating. I do that myself.
With the silver jack?
Oh, you mean? It have a piece of subjack the way.
So what is subjack?
Subjack is a something like is a sticky now, but it come like rope. And when it dry, it's still flexible. It's like you can't break it. You have to trap it.
We didn't normally use it for beats.
We. Everybody.
No, animal and beat with it.
I don't know what they use it, but
I think
I
they used to race with them race us and them with.
Oh really?
Right?
I don't know.
I think so. I'm not sure. I remember.
But may I tell you, that's the tree where when it dry, it's still flexible. You still use it. And may I tell you, say, Papa, you beat me. And then time my skin ready now, me a browning, you know. When you look on wheel, oh my God. I just brown at them time. I feel like I browner than now. I little. I say me get so that time, my boy 8, 9, I get some lick. And night come down, you know. I don't remember who follow me go a river, because a river me that forgot when I've running water, go bathe, you know. Like no matter what, because Keisha ball for your years. You know, say years later, when Keisha must be about 15, Keisha still have the ears problem.
Keisha, you still have the ears problem?
No, I don't think she have it same way.
Spend some money on it.
No, I don't think of money. I think she just grew it out because it did get an infection over the years. It used to gather.
What a physic, yeah.
I have problem. But Keisha, me and I could have.
That's why me
and I close when
I come up, me run, you know. Whereas I say double out of fist.
That's it. Those were memories and moments, yo. But I want him to never lie about
me. If you grow it, that lick the way I lick me and it damage me. If you grow it out now, I already grow it out more. Yeah. Instead of you get it now, so go start the process now. Yeah. That now go better.
Yeah, I tell you, that's not nice.
That's not better.
Keisha trouble me. If she never trouble me, I told her how much she just need fatigue. We said, Jesus, please. Me and Keisha used to fight a lot. Because me and her are same age group, and me just feel like it was jealousy. When you grow up and look back into it, because everybody, me just come from town, you know, in the little bush, everybody I give me all of the attention, and she was the one who used to get the attention. So after that, now it changed. And I used to love fight. The time I couldn't fight it up. Used to love fight. No, I mean, she never loved fight, but nobody couldn't beat her. It's not so easy. She was a little rebellious yesterday. I know she's still a rebel. You know hard one. And now me and her are close like I'm a sister that man. I'm a blood sister. Nothing what happening in the past can break me and our relationship. Me love her bad.
Me have a page. Remember, a long time I have a page of Keisha, you know?
Yeah.
Remember?
Yes, me did tell you. Me did tell you about it and you say you got page her now because she go watch that video.
No, me I got page Keisha.
She might watch that video here.
I tell you this now, Keisha. My page you write us now.
Yeah.
But you'll get a face-to-face page. When we come back to Jamaica. Remember that. And tell DC to say my pages to get from me too.
Yeah. You hear that?
DC will run carry go to Papa.
Keisha got dead with love when she see this. Yeah.
DC will run carry go. DC could have said no see her. DC carry go get Papa. So Keisha and DC. What do you mean? You know what do you mean down there, you know? Me just try to two of them there, you know, in a Keisha shop, you know. And DC did that too, you know, and them way there, you know. Never remember the page there. Then 10 would be the perfect time to pay them, you know, because the two of them they one place, you know.
Yo, I tell him, man.
Share with the one place at least.
And when I tell her too, sometimes I fatigue her, you know, like, when she had threatened me, me we say to her, say, you want me to give you one more in your ears, you know? And that used to piss her off and make sure want to fight me, you know.
Sure, you want more? Really?
Yeah, because sometimes she a chop bad this for me, you know.
She shouldn't bother step to you again.
Yeah. Well, all right, go on, mama. Let me get one more in your ears.
She want to lose her earring this time.
And that. Yo, sometimes that chigara make sure. Yo, I tell her, you used to.
She don't want to just lose her earring completely.
Yeah, I did at it. I did at it. Okay, I've got that story there. I said no, sir. Me and I couldn't agree. Like, me and Angela used to agree most when me little, as in a that, and then it switched from me and Angela to me and Janet. Apart from Derek, Derek was the mother of the house. Cause my mama never used to do them more than so. Mama used to do market 3 days a week, Monday to Wednesday. So me and Derek used to be the one way. Derek was the mother figure, and then me and Angela used to be close. And then when Angela finished school, Angela did go out town, and then me and Janet. You know, but oh my God, I'm gonna give away the days to nothing, you know, cause it's a learning process. But it's funny when you look back on it, you can laugh about these things. Anyway, guys, the video long, so long. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye. Story time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Share it if you care. Tell a friend and tell a friend.
Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them.
Tell me what you want to talk about
tell
next.
Next friend.
Make us say.
Tell them friend.
Put in the comment section below what next we want to talk about. Bye, guys. Adios.